Chances are, you recently saw a video of a man who appeared to fly using a contraption that allowed him to flap his wings like a bird. That video turned out to be a hoax, but there are definitely some flying machines out there that are just as crazy. But before you make fun, remember that these inventions all have serious brains behind them, are the results of years of research, and have all actually taken off. Still, it may be some time before we go mainstream and we can envisage some objections from aviation authorities. Volocopter. This incredible 18-rotor machine looks like a giant drone. It has come a long way since its fragile-looking VC-1 prototype, pictured above, and aims to deliver the convenience of a helicopter without the complex controls. The VC-200 flew in 2013, but can only manage 20 minutes before the juice runs out. A hybrid is being developed until battery technology catches up. The aircraft is equipped with 16 tiny propellers driven by independent electric motors, and the lithium batteries would allow for 10 to 30 minutes of flight depending on payload and battery capacity, expending roughly $10 worth of electricity in the process. It's also purported to be fairly safe and can land even if 4 of its motors fail. There's also an option of installing a safety parachute. Manufacturer eVolo, Germany. Type: electric VTOL aircraft. Specifications: cruising speed 100 kilometers per hour, max altitude 6,500 feet, max takeoff weight 450 kilograms, cost 250,000 euros. Jetman. Swiss pilot Yves Rossi, known as the Jetman, pioneered this jet-powered wing backpack that turns him into a one-man flying machine. It has a 2.4-meter wingspan and is powered by 4 jet engines. Stratos jump legend Felix Baumgartner flew across the channel with a fixed delta wing in 2003, but that didn't have a jet attached. Rossi flew it over the Alps in 2008, but fell 5 kilometers short trying to cross the Strait of Gibraltar in 2009. It has now been certified in the USA by the FAA. Type: fixed-wing powered strap-on suit. Specifications: top descent speed 300 kilometers per hour, 200 foot per minute climb rate, 200 pounds of engine thrust. Cost: development cost around 85,000 euros. AERO-X Hover bike. Is that from Star Wars? Nope, it's real-life hover bike, floating on 2 rotors and flown by simply leaning in the direction the pilot wants to go. No, really, it exists, and it has a spare seat for a passenger. Tested already and slated for sale in 2017, this off-highway vehicle is apparently easy to fly, but in case things go wrong, it has optional airbags. Manufacturer: AERO-X USA. Type: hover bike. Specifications: top speed 72.5 kilometers per hour, max altitude 12 feet, useful load 140 kilograms, endurance 1.25 hours, cost 76,000 euros. Transition flying car. It may just look like a plane with fold-up wings, but it has been certified as roadworthy in the US and converts between flying and driving modes in less than a minute, and it fits a standard home car garage. The Transition flies at 100 miles per hour, 165 kilometers per hour, powered by a well-proven and reliable Rotax 912 IS engine. Dynan's Skyview Avionics features intuitive controls and a pilot-designed interface. Skyview offers superior situational awareness, redundant networks and systems, incredibly bright screens, and future upgradability unsurpassed by anything else flying. Unique car-like features include 4-wheel hydraulic disc brakes, a circular steering wheel, yoke mechanism, and folding wings that allow the aircraft to tuck into a one-car garage. However, the multi-purpose vehicle pays a steep price for its versatility and tips the scales at 1,800 pounds because of Department of Transportation automobile safety and environmental rules. Manufacturer: Terrafugia, USA. Type: street legal flying vehicle. Specifications: cruising speed 160 kilometers per hour, range 660 kilometers, takeoff distance 518 meters to reach 50 feet, fuel economy on the road 6.7 liters per 100 kilometers, cost €250,000. M400 Skycar. Inventor Dr. Paul Moeller has spent 50 years creating his dream, facing criticism and financial challenges along the way. But with the rotary VTOL M400X prototype, he hopes he is almost there. It can fit on a road, carries 4 people, and has been flown, if somewhat briefly and gingerly. The team is now working to obtain certification. Manufacturer: Moeller International, USA. Type: 4-engine VTOL Volanter aircraft. Specifications: top speed 533 kilometers per hour, cruise speed 496 kilometers per hour, endurance 5.9 hours, max altitude 36,000 feet. Cost €450,000. Parajet Skycar. With a giant rear-mounted turboprop and a Ram Air parafoil wing, this goes from ATV to lightweight aircraft in minutes and can take off from short makeshift runways on tarmac, grass, and even beaches. Manufacturers expect to secure an SLSA Light Sport Aircraft certificate by the end of the year, meaning just 12 hours of lessons are needed to fly it. Manufacturer: Parajet International Limited, UK. Type: paraglider buggy. Specifications: top speed 88 kilometers per hour, altitude 10,000 feet, range 320 kilometers, fuel economy on the road 4.2 liters per 100 kilometers, cost €106,000. Tacocopter. The company behind the Tacocopter has a simple dream: to allow customers to order tacos via their smartphone and have said tacos delivered via an unmanned drone helicopter. But before you get excited about the prospect of flying tacos delivered straight to your door, the plan has a few major obstacles to overcome. For one thing, the government does not currently allow UAVs, unmanned aerial vehicles, to be used for commercial purposes. In addition, there would be a number of logistical hurdles, including avoiding birds, balconies, telephone wires, delivering food to people indoors, delivering food to the right person, and protecting the Tacocopters from being attacked by animals and hungry, impoverished college students. Flyboard jetpack. We've seen all kinds of jetpacks in the past, but not one that essentially turns you into a human dolphin. On this jetpack, the engines are attached to your feet with a steering mechanism on your hands, Iron Man style, making it possible to perform crazy maneuvers like diving in and out of the water. But the best news is that you won't need Tony Stark money to enjoy it, as the basic Flyboard will set you back around $6,600. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos like this, hit subscribe button and press the bell icon.